Listening to music while working ruined my focus. Now I fucking love music, especially the Spotify Weekly. Oh my, 30 new songs every week that I can listen to. Listen to albums. Kendrick, goaded, goaded. And listening to it while working, especially deep work, terrible idea that I've been doing for like the past year and a half. So this idea came back on my radar through Charlie Morgan, which is like some millionaire dude. And I think I kind of dealt with this like, I don't know, 8 months ago, and I didn't do it. But I did it again. And I think it's because I can do it now because before my mind was like so scrambled because I used to watch so much fucking YouTube and like pointless shit, right? So I couldn't sit with work. But now I just played like slow music, which is what he recommended on YouTube, and it's so much better. And it's also calmer because I don't have to switch music every 3 minutes, and I'm switching away from the task, right? Which is just dumb. It's dumb because it breaks it up, and it's like that little moment doesn't seem like much, but it really ruined my momentum. So especially in the deep work, get yourself some fucking go on YouTube, search up some slow like music. Oh, it's perfect. All right, that's it. Maybe there's something else. There isn't. Bye.